Hello and welcome to Sentient's Connect third training video of the series. Today we are going to learn how to post a split shift, meaning a job that starts in the morning, has a long intermediary break, and then returns in the afternoon for an after-school program, etc. This will also teach you the segment feature. Now, I have logged in and you can see my dashboard. It shows that this week I already have a job that's open on Monday the 27th of April. It has not yet been filled. I'm going to make another request, and again it is going to be for the split shift. I will click on Jobs and Post Job and be brought to the new absence screen. As always, select from the absence toolbar Vacancy and then the job classification. Today I'm going to look for an RECE or ECA and click Next. This will bring me to the itinerary screen where I can select either a single day or a multi-day, and for this example I just want somebody for a single day. I will choose the job date. Today I'm looking for Tuesday, April the 28th, 2020. And I need to add a segment. As always, whenever I'm posting a job, I'm going to select Pina's Childcare Center because this is where the job opening is availed. Next, the itinerary screen arises, and here is where I'm going to select the split shift. Select the down arrow under Schedule, and I have already created for all centers a split shift 1 from 7:30 until 9:30. Now, if you would like your split shift to start at 7 o'clock, you can just click the start time to be 7 o'clock. You can also always change the end time. I do not want this individual to have an unpaid break because it's just for 2.5 hours. The job reason is always going to be a substitute is needed, and the position is going to be a float position because this person during the morning will be between several classrooms. I do not need to enter a classroom because this person will be afloat, and there is no reportable person at this time because it is so early in the morning, there probably won't be a set person to welcome this individual. Now, I am going to add a segment. This allows me to open up another itinerary schedule for the same substitute. I do want this person to go to the same center, and as you can see now, I have a second schedule to choose. These two schedules can never overlap, so I know that I cannot have this schedule start at 7:30 again because the same staff cannot work the same time. I'm going to choose the second split shift, which is split shift 2 from 3 o'clock until 6 o'clock. Again, I can have the split shift start at any time. I'm going to have it start at 2:30 until 6, which is a common time for many of our clients. Again, there is no unpaid break, and the job reason is substitute needed. The position is going to be for the school age room, and the school age room happens to be called the blue room. And I do want this substitute to now check in with Pina K, who is the director of the center. Next, I'm going to click Next. I have a choice. I can post to the pool, which will invite everyone in our system who is qualified based on the qualifications you are looking for, available and in close proximity to your center, or I can request certain substitutes. At this time, I do want to request certain substitutes, so I select the Request Substitutes button and start choosing. I'm going to select Mary Poppins first, and then I'm going to select Jen, and I would also like Sam. Those are the 3 favorites that I have noted, and I will click Next. If I would like to write a special kind of message or note, instruction, or otherwise to my substitute, I will, and I will just say, please remember to bring with you indoor shoes. Thank you. And for Sentient, the agency, I will just say, please share with us by phone when the position is filled. Okay, I can add attachments if you'd like, and then just click Next. This provides you the post page, which is a summary of what you have just input. It's for a vacancy. You've selected 3 substitutes as your favorites, and you hope that one of the 3 chooses the position. It is for an ECE or ECA. It's just for a total of 1 day, and here are the times that you're seeking that substitute for. Everything looks accurate, and I select the Post Job button. This now posts the job and tells me that the job is reserved for those 3 substitutes that I've requested until Monday evening at 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock on Monday evening, the job will go out to all substitutes that are qualified, available on that day, and in close proximity to your center. If I want to edit something or add another segment, then I can certainly do so. And again, it gives me a lovely itinerary summary, just in case I needed to refer to what I had just ordered. If everything looks good, I can scroll back to my calendar, which is under the Jobs menu and Calendar, just to confirm that I've input that position correctly, and it looks like I have. On Tuesday, April the 28th, I do have a job open still. Congratulations, you have learned how to post a split shift and use the segment feature of Sentient Connect.